Hey, if you want to pair your Sony WH-1000XM4 with your Android phone, first of all, you have to power off your headset by using this power button. And when they are turned off, you have to click and hold this power button to enter for the pairing mode. So keep holding until this indicator starts blinking quickly and until you hear the voice notification Bluetooth pairing. And now, as you can see in my case, I've got the pop-up notification, but if you don't have it right here, you have to open your Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from this section you have to select your Sony WH-1000XM4. So click on them, and next you can also connect them to the Sony application. So go to the Play Store on your phone, tap on the search pool and type Sony headphones. We have to get this application, tap to install, and it will take around a few seconds to download. As you can see, that's not big application, that's only 48 megabits of the data. So after a few seconds we will have it on the phone and we can finally open it. First we have to select our region and tap here to select that we read the above contents and agree. Tap to start, then read this stuff and click agree and proceed. Then tap agree and start using. Click OK. Tap close. Click OK one more time and accept the permission right here. Then right now it is connecting. So we just have to wait. And here we have our headphones. So click OK. We can sign in with the Sony account, but we don't need. So I'm gonna do this later. We can restore our previously settings, but I'm gonna do this without. Click next. That's the adaptive sound control that we can also use later. So click later, click next, later, click OK, go to the dashboard, and here we are successfully and finally connected. So yeah, that's all. Bye.